It's Tuesday, which means it's Tea Life Day. Every Tuesday, T-Mobile customers have the opportunity to get a free gift or a discount from a store. And today, they are giving away something that I can definitely use this summer. Let's look and see what it is. It is a spatula, and as you know, I live in my car, so I do a lot of grilling. And this is my spatula right here from Dollar Tree. And I'm ready for an upgrade. The one that they are giving away at T-Mobile is looks really good, probably stainless steel, has a wooden handle, so I'm excited to get my hands on a new spatula. Let's go and get one. So I got my free spatula. She was really worried about me getting a free tablet as well that they're offering. A free tablet with a either $20 plan or a $15 plan if you get on autopilot for a data plan for the tablet. And that's cool. I would want one for my computer though. Like, I've been looking for a computer that comes with a data plan, so that's what I'm more interested in instead of it being a tablet, because I have a tablet already and I could just put a data plan on a tablet that I already have. But here is the spatula. Hi. Here is the spatula. Yes, it is branded with T-Mobile, of course. Yup, it says 100% stainless steel blade. That's amazing. Wooden handle, and guess what? It comes with a can opener or beer bottle opener. So this is a good quality. This is a good quality spatula that I can't wait to use this summer on my cast iron skillet, on my butane stove, and it's going to be so much fun. If you are not a T-Mobile customer, you might want to become one because they give away a lot of free stuff. One of my favorite stores that they give away free stuff from is Shake Shack. They give away free burgers, and they used to do them very frequently, and then they just stopped for like several weeks, like months. And I'm like, come on, let's get it back. So I'll open the app all the time hoping that I'm going to get a free Shake Shack burger, but it hasn't happened in a while. So T-Mobile, put the free Shake Shack burger on the T Life app next Tuesday. How about next Tuesday? Let's do next Tuesday, okay? So by me even thinking of needing a computer or a laptop with data plan, I was like, let me go back in there and see like what information they have. Yo, I am getting a complete deal steal. I'm like, I know that my phone, that data plan on my phone, the hotspot on my phone is not going to last me all month. Stuff is going slow anyway, so I'm about to get something else. I'll show you in a minute. So guess what? I done went in T-Mobile for something free and came out with something paid. I got me a internet because, as you know, if you're not at Starbucks, at the library, at somewhere where you can use their Wi-Fi for free, then you are out of Wi-Fi and you need to use your own hotspot. My hotspot on my phone, I'm using it, but it's kind of slow for me. And I'm going to definitely be using my needing to use the internet more frequently. Like, yes, I can go to Starbucks, but I've noticed that I'm not super duper interested in being at Starbucks all the time. The library also. And yo, I was just on my way to the library and I passed by T-Mobile, and I remember, oh yeah, it's Tuesday. I had got a notification to go and get the free thing, which was a spatula. I'm like, I don't need a spatula. And then I remember, oh wait, I can't use a spatula when I pass by T-Mobile. Also, I wasn't even going to go this way. I wasn't going to go to this Starbucks because I was on my way to Starbucks, then on my way to the library. Let me put this one up too. And I just followed my gut. I followed my instincts, and I got a device and a plan that I needed. It's like around 30 something a month, which is fine because I'm not paying rent. I'm not living in a house or a building where Wi-Fi is located. So I need something for when I'm on the go, and I can turn this thing on and off whenever I need it. And I'm going to show you the pendant that I wear. I haven't worn it in a long time, not even gonna lie, but me and my mom, actually my mom got one for both of us because we had ran into this lady who was selling them at one of the NAMI walks, and she was working through this company called Gia Wellness, and they sell pendants, and she didn't tell us what was in them, but she did do a demonstration on me where I wasn't wearing a pendant, and she would like tell me to hold my arms out, and she would press on my arms and they would go down real easily. And then she put the pendant on me, and immediately she pressed down on my arms again. I put my arms out, she pressed down on them, and I was able to keep my arms up, and with no effort. Didn't feel like I was exerting more energy and more force to keep my arms up. No, she just couldn't push my arms down. And I was like, hold on, there's something about this thing. So me and my mom were wanting to get it for years and years and years, and then finally she got her income tax money and she bought one for me and her. And so she has passed on. I have hers and I have mine. I'm gonna wear mine, and I might wear hers too, but or I might just keep hers in the car because they have a whole bunch of different energy, like, okay, EFT, not EFT, but that devices that control or block EFT. Not block it, but like, what's the word? Control it so that it doesn't affect you. All right, cool. So I got one of those. I'm going to use that and keep my mom's in the car. So, and I'm going to wear mine on me so that the Wi-Fi, which is very strong, is going to be coming very strong because it's in the car with me when it's on, and it's not going to affect me because I'm going to have my pendant on. Okay, if you want a pendant, I have a link in the description because these are super duper helpful and powerful. They actually put these on the Vietnam soldiers when they went to Vietnam, wherever there was radioactive area, because they had dropped a bomb in that area, and so the area was radioactive, and they put these pendants, which weren't the same ones, but it was the same technology, on the soldiers when they went in that area, and they didn't get affected. So that's the game plan. You know, the Lord works in mysterious ways, and follow your intuition. And what else can I say? So many other things. I want to do my work in a place that is beautiful. I found so many parks that I used to frequent, that I used to be at, and it's been a while since I've been there. It's about to be summertime, and I am going to be wherever I want to be. I got my generator, so I can plug that in, and so I can plug my computer into my generator, and I can power it through solar panels that came with the generator. You want to see it? Here's the generator. It's by Marlboro. This one is 100 watts AC power output, and then 167 WHs, I don't know what that is, of battery power. And this works just fine for my laptop. It only has one plug, one AC plug, that's the top one. The bottom AC plug doesn't have that extra hole, and then there are two USB ports and what's that, two DC outputs, and then a USB-C port. So I'm straight with this thing. Eventually I'm going to get one that is more powerful, but this is going to work for now. It might just last me for the summer. That's how long I said I was going to do the living in the car, but I may do it longer because this is kind of fun. I'll just have to make other plans for when it's going to be cold. All right, so let me get, it's like almost 6 o'clock. I'm talking about let me get my day started. Let me get my Starbucks and find a beautiful place to park at and use my new Wi-Fi. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I need to get me a fold-up chair that's nice and compact, and a table, so that I can just post up, park, take my table and my chair out, post up where I need to be, and just chill. I'm super excited. Like, this summer is going to be so amazing. Expect a lot from me. I'm gonna be content creating. I'm going to be doing a lot. I'm gonna be doing more than I ever done, because I've had to get over hurdles, like get over blocks, mental blocks, emotional blocks of being seen and being the expert and saying what I want to say. I mean, I've learned a lot. I have become an expert. I have tried and tested out things and looked dumb in my eyes, even though I was being very helpful to whoever I was speaking to and to whoever was receiving my content, the message through my content. But I still wasn't confident in myself and in my message. But I have grown. This is the 3rd summer since I started, because I started the blood type diet summer 2023. I was learning a lot, yes, but I still hadn't applied it long enough. Then summer of 2024, I started posting more about it, as far as doing videos talking about my 1 year review on the diet. And the person that helped me, he just walked out. I guess he's off work. Got that good old sale for me. I'm glad to help people, especially if it's something that I need. That's the energy that we want to put out when it comes to buying something and signing up for subscriptions. If it's something that you need, then be happy about getting it. And identify how you are helping another person by signing up for that thing and purchasing that device or that item. So I'm happy for him, and I'm happy for me. As I was saying, I forgot what I was saying. Oh yeah, getting over hurdles. Yes, it's going up. It's going up this summer. It's going up. I'm getting so many signs and so many messages saying, Latrell, you have a message to share and you need to get to it. Hello. Let's go. Let's go. You've had a lot of practice. You had a lot of trial and error, and you should have been learning from your errors. And now you can do it the right way. And then you're going to come across some more errors and fix them along the way. But it's time to get started. So let's do it. Okay. And also, I'm empowering and encouraging you to get started on whatever you need to work on, whatever your journey, your path is. Like, me moving into my car was not an easy task. I've been wanting to do this, and I'm just now getting to it. So you can do hard things as well. You can do hard things as well. Don't worry about what other people have to say. Listen to what they have to say in case it's a gem in there, or in case it's some good advice in there, because some people may have some insight that is helpful. But sometimes not everybody's insight is helpful for your situation and your path and what you see for yourself. Like, not everybody knows all of the details that went into my decision to move into my car. And if I told them, they might not understand still. So it's my decision. I'm doing it because it satisfies and pleases me. I feel great. There are things that I need to fix. Like, it's not perfect, but it's doing what I needed to do right now. It's doing what I needed to do right now. I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the journey. Enjoy your journey.